Hey folks, Queen here. In this video, what I'm going to show you real quick is how to transfer your BNB coins, right? So your Binance coins from the Ethereum blockchain over to the Binance Smart Chain, all right? And this is going to be utilizing MetaMask. So first and foremost, you'll need to have MetaMask installed and all of that. So we're going to assume that you've already got that going on. If you don't, then just Google, YouTube, how to install MetaMask and all of that. But I'm assuming that you're utilizing MetaMask. You've already bought BNB. You've already got it stored and so forth. So we're going to move from that basis. So you're going to go over to myetherwallet.com. Make sure that you're on the right site, please. All right, and you got the secure lock up here. So you'll go into myetherwallet.com, and they've changed this a little bit. You'll scroll down, click on access my wallet, and because we're using MetaMask, we're going to use this one here. Click, and we're going to access the wallet. So I'm already logged into my MetaMask, so check that. Click access wallet. All right, and I'm logged in. All right, so now you would click up here on send. To the right here, it'll show you all your coins, tokens, whatever you want to call it. So it'll show you a list of all your tokens that you have. All right, so click on send, and what you will do is we're going to be using Binance's exchange as well, right? So you're going to go into your Binance. Let me do that real quick because you need to have that send address. Go into Binance. Say for instance you don't have, because I didn't have any BNB over here on the exchange until I actually just moved it over. All right, so say for instance you didn't, it wasn't right here. You would just click deposit. It'll pull up the list, and then you would just find it here. Search BNB. Boom. All right, now because this is already on the Ethereum chain, then this is a ERC20 token. All right, so you need to make sure that you select the right thing, because the BEP2 and the BEP20 are two totally different things. All right, so this example, what I'm showing you, you're moving it from MetaMask wallet. You're going to select ERC20, and then you're going to copy that address down there. All right, so that is the address. Let's see, I'll just copy it just for shits and giggles. All right, let's go back over here to my Ether wallet. So now I'm going to, because I'm moving BNB, I'm going to type that in. All right, and it'll show, it'll have your entire balance in there, whatever. So whatever portion you want to move. I'm not going to move any right now. I'm just showing you this for an example because I've already just did the transaction before I decided to record it for you. So I'm just going to go through the motions as if. All right, so I'm pasting the thingamajiggy in there. Oh, now it went down $2. My gas fee was $6. This is the reason why I'm moving it over to Binance Smart Chain to save on gas fees and all of that. But not just to save on gas fees. I want to experience with some of the liquidity pools, some of the DeFi pools, and see how that works out. Anyways, all right, so you got all that. Then what you would do is just come down here, boom, you click send transaction. Okay, once you do that, I'm gonna log out of here. Once you do that, yep, log out, then your transaction is going to show in your Binance. If you go to wallet, click on overview. Once you have 12 confirmations on the Ethereum blockchain for that transaction, that asset is going to show right here. All right, so now click on that, and what we're going to do is we are going to now withdraw. All right, so now I'm going to take the BNB that I just sent to Binance's exchange, and I'm going to withdraw it back to MetaMask, but it's going to be on the Binance Smart Chain. And let me show you that real quick. Now you want to also do a Google so that you can see how to add the Binance Smart Chain network into your MetaMask. It's real simple. But just do a Google search or on YouTube, and it'll show you how to add the network in. Basically, it's a custom RPC, and then it'll give you those parameters that you need to put in there. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do, because I'm on Ethereum's network. Also, your Ethereum and your Binance chain address is going to be the same. Alright, but I'm going to click it to Binance. Okay, so now I'm on Binance Smart Chain. You see right here? Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to copy the address, because this is the address I'm going to need. And I'm going to do a test, because I've never done this before. So I'm doing this live with you. So we're going to click on withdraw. We're going to, again, there it is, BNB. I'm going to paste this address in here. Alright, so now here's the fun part. See here? You want to make sure you click Binance Smart Chain. Boom. Okay. And let's just do a little bit amount here. Maybe 0.02. Let's do 0.01. Point 0.015. Alright, that's cool. So we'll do that amount. And we'll submit it. Everything looks good. Look how cheap the transaction fees are. Let's hit submit. Let me pause this video because I need to put in the email verification code and all that. So I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So we're going to go ahead and submit that for the transaction to go through. Alright. So now it is saying that the request has been submitted in Binance. So now what we'll do is we'll go back over here. Alright, go back over here to MetaMask. And we'll wait for this to show up. So now while we're waiting for that transaction to show up, just some other resources here for you. On Binance, they give you a whole slew of different tutorials and things like that to go more in depth about some things that you may be doing. So I will put this link for their tutorial in the description of the video in case you have more questions or whatnot. But real simple. I couldn't find a video on this thing, and usually when I buy assets, I usually just hold them. I don't really trade, and I don't really do any stuff with DeFi. But this this new Binance Smart Chain is just looking really appetizing, and so I'm gonna try some of these liquidity pools and see how these percentages work. Basically, I'll just instead of holding the asset, say like BNB is one of them that I'm going to utilize. Instead of holding the asset in my MetaMask and not really earning any yield, I'm going to stake it with some liquidity pools and see what type of yield comes about. I'm only going to play around with like 2 coins, as you saw that I transferred to the exchange, and play around with 2 coins. So that's really it. Your transaction should show up. Not sure how quick Binance Smart Chain is, but oh, boom, there it is. So there's the 0.0142 that I sent over, right? So that's it. So all right, take care, guys. Talk to you later.